Hello all, welcome to the DevOps Planet. In my previous video, we saw how we can install and configure Docker over Ubuntu machine. In this video, we will install Docker over Windows machine. So for this, go on Google and type install Docker on Windows. So here you need to click on this first link. This is the official documentation of Docker to install the Docker over Windows machine. So here you will see one button. So just click on this. Now it will start downloading a one installer. So it will take some time. So let me pause this video. So now as we can see the download has been completed. So let me go to the download folder. So here we can see the Docker desktop installer has been downloaded. So just press enter. And now we need to install this on my Windows machine. So it will prompt for a yes or no. So it will ask a confirmation. So now, okay, I pressed two times. So let me cross one. Okay. So it's asking to add the shortcut to desktop. So click on OK. So it is unpacking files and the installation has been started. So it will take some time. So let it be. Now we can see that installation has been completed and it is asking to restart my system. So let me minimize it. Now let me launch the PowerShell here. So let's see the Docker version. Yeah, so as we can see that Docker command is working here. So currently daemon is not running because we haven't started our system. So it means that the Docker has been successfully installed on my system. So the next day you just need to restart as suggested and then your daemon will start. So that is how you can install and configure Docker on Windows machine. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this.